Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki back with another video. How y'all doing today? Happy, what was I about to say Wednesday? What is today? Y'all know what? I was right. Yesterday was Monday. Y'all, I'm tripping. Happy Tuesday. Yes. Yeah, we are back. And y'all know what we are back for, okay? Y'all already know what y'all voted for, and y'all know what I'm coming with, okay? Dun, 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 dun. Alright, your girl got her the A&W Root Beer that you all voted for. Boom. Yes, okay? Y'all, let's get into it. I hope that everybody's day was wonderful and that everybody had a wonderful day. Okay? Yeah, we about to get straight into it because your girl is thirsty, y'all. Hold up, y'all. Ooh. Excuse me, y'all. Y'all know I love root beer, right? And y'all know I always say that mug root beer is my favorite root beer, y'all. But this A&W, y'all, just hits, okay? And y'all know I normally take like 2 sips before I be like, is it good or not? No, y'all, it is delicious, okay? Delicioso, okay, y'all? Oh, excuse me, I just forgot my manners. Cheers, okay? Oh, this is really good. This is really, really, really good. Y'all, this is really good. Okay? When I say delicious, y'all, I mean delicious. This is really good. Y'all, this is shocking me. I don't remember A&W being this good. This right here is tasting like a mug to me. Wow, y'all, this is really good. Oh, my goodness. Did I just divorce mug? Excuse me. And it's strong, too, y'all. Y'all, this is so good. Because as y'all can hear, I don't know if y'all can hear when my burps sound gassy today, y'all. But I have, like, I'm experiencing... Look at me. Let me bring y'all into my life, okay? Y'all, I'm experiencing terrible acid reflux today, okay? Y'all, my acid reflux has been bothering me, like, really bad today. Like, I could feel, like, you know, that it's been bothering me. I really can't even explain to y'all, like, how it feels, but I've been having a little rough day today. But this right here is really helping y'all because me burping, I'm telling y'all, it helps. Oh, my goodness, it helps so much. Because it just be feeling terrible. You just be feeling like real, like, gassy, I guess you would say, like. Excuse me. But I wouldn't even say, like, gassy, like. Y'all don't know. But today has just been a rough acid reflux day for me, okay? That's all I'm going to say. We just going to keep it at that. But outside of that, my day has been wonderful, y'all. Cannot complain. It was very cold though today. But outside of y'all, cannot complain. Okay? I'm here. All right? Cheers to being alive, okay? And clock that. Oh, y'all, this is good. Excuse me, y'all. I don't know if y'all heard that I was a little one. That was more so of like an inside burp, y'all. But I don't remember A&W being this good, y'all. But then again, I don't even know the last time I had an A&W, though. To be honest. Y'all cannot think of it. That's really good, y'all. And oh my gosh. I'm also, y'all, gonna give y'all a quick 5 and Below haul, y'all. Went to 5 and Below today, okay? And I'm gonna give y'all a quick haul and let y'all know, just let y'all see what I got and what I found, because I'm thinking about bringing y'all like something different tomorrow. I'm looking over here at y'all. I'm sorry. Let me focus on y'all. I'm thinking about bringing y'all something different tomorrow, but y'all just let me know, you know, if y'all want me to or not. I'm gonna show y'all what I found, okay? And I want to try it for y'all, and I want to know if y'all tried it too. Y'all, this is a 16 ounce bottle. It's not a 20 ounce. Excuse me. Which is perfectly fine with me, okay? Because after dinner, that's all you need. And y'all know, your girl only consumes 1 soda a day. Excuse me. Whew. So, this is enough for me after dinner. Get them burps out. Get all that, you know, built up gas out after you eat a good meal. That's all you need to do, okay? So, 16 ounce is good enough. Y'all use a wave curler on my hair today. It's by the brand Wavy Talk. Ooh. Excuse me. It's by the brand Wavy Talk, I believe, from Amazon. And y'all think it actually did good, y'all. I'm impressed. I'm actually liking how it turned out. I could have hit the ends a little bit more, but y'all, I'm liking how it turned out. It actually looks pretty cute. You know what I'm saying? And I bumped this right here. I bumped this right here part pretty high because y'all know, like, later on, like how, you know, like your hair be dropping and stuff like that. And I still wanted to have a nice, like, little bump to it. So I did over bump this part. But outside of that, y'all, it is cute. But I'm like, by later on, it's going to be like this. So it's going to be fine anyways. Let me show y'all what I got from 5 and Below. Okay? Alright, y'all. And y'all can let me know if y'all want me to try these on camera or not. I'm also going to show y'all what else that I got too as well. Y'all got these pillow bursts. I found these at 5 and Below today, y'all. So, let me know if y'all want me to try these on camera, okay? It's the, you know, the little pillable gummies. I got them in banana and mango. And I also got it in, what is this, grape. Correct? Yeah, grape. So y'all let me know if y'all want me to try these on camera now, okay? Excuse me. Y'all also found, okay, I also found this orange cream Coca-Cola, y'all. This right here is new. I have never seen this before, y'all. But once again, I don't drink Coke, okay? I feel like if I'm going to do like a Coke competitor, I'm doing Pepsi, of course. I'm just going to do Pepsi. But, y'all, I want to try this. I thought it sounded really good. Y'all know I love cream soda, so it's like, why not try this orange cream? And I so hope that it tastes like orange cream, y'all, because looking at it, it don't look like orange cream. But I know why, because it's by Coke, okay? So it's like, we're not really expecting it to be like that orange cream color, y'all, but I would appreciate it because I feel like it's just going to taste like Coke. But I hope that it does have like that cream taste to it. But y'all let me know if y'all have tried this Coca-Cola orange cream. And let me know if it's good or not in the comments down below. And let me know if you would rather for me to try these right here for y'all and bring y'all this video with these pillables, or if you would like for me to try this orange cream Coca-Cola. I also found a crushed peach soda as well. So y'all just let your girl know, okay? If y'all have had this, y'all let me know how it is, all right? And that is it for today's video, okay? Y'all, am I divorcing root beer? I don't know, y'all, but it's like, ooh, y'all may have to get me a mug. And see, this right here be the problem. I'm gonna have to get me a mug root beer, and y'all, I'm gonna have to bring A&W back, okay? And what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to sip and see like which one I bang with more, because it's giving like A&W today, but then it's like when I drink a mug, it's like, oh, I'm in love again. I just think maybe I'm just a root beer type of girly. Maybe I just love root beer. That could be it. Y'all, that is it for today, okay? Thank y'all for tuning in, y'all. Thank y'all for watching my video, y'all. I appreciate y'all tuning in to me and watching my videos, y'all. I appreciate the love and the comments. I see y'all have been commenting, and I so thank y'all for being active, y'all. I thank y'all for hitting that like button, y'all. And don't forget to hit that like button when you're watching these videos, because I be seeing them views be high, but sometimes I think that y'all be forgetting to like them videos. Just hit that thumbs up for your girl, okay? Because I know y'all enjoying it, because y'all keep on coming back and watching me. All right? And thank you for the support, okay? Continue to enjoy the rest of y'all evening, the rest of y'all day, the rest of y'all morning, or the rest of y'all night, okay? Thank you once again for tuning in to It's Simply Nikki. We will see you back again here tomorrow. Look at me, we. Who is we? Me. Y'all, I'm getting off of here, all right? So until we try it again, y'all. Y'all know I want to vibe with y'all so bad before we try, okay? Until we chat again, y'all. Until we vibe again, all right? Until y'all see y'all in tomorrow's video, okay? Bye.